So I play the character of Ananya Makhija. Ananya always wanted to get married, and finally the day comes. So that's why she and her friends they plan this trip together because Shadi se pehle she wants to spend those special days with the people who are closest to her. So and her friends are literally family. So they go on this mad trip, and shooting for the trip has been so much fun. I think for me it's been the most exciting shoot that I have done till now. And after Masan and Haramkhor, which was Masan was shot in Banaras and Haramkhor was shot in this small town near Ahmedabad. So I really wanted to go abroad and shoot. So I was waiting कि भाई बहुत हो गया मुझे बाहर जाके shoot करना है. So when I got the call from Disney, I was very excited. And when I got to know who the star cast was, so because I've never actually worked with women before, it's mostly I've been be it कोई भी कैरेक्टर चाहे भाई या फादर या फिर बॉयफ्रेंड तो हमेशा लड़कों के साथ बहुत काम किया है तो जब पता चला कि ये 3 कमाल की लड़कियां हैं तो आई हैड टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ इट.
So what's your equation with them?
Oh, I love them.
On screen, off screen.
I think.
Is anyone having their fingers crossed? You've got your legs
no.
crossed.
I think you can make out in all our photographs and how we support and stand. Yeah. But we didn't know each other. शूटिंग करने से पहले तो जब मिले शूट पे रिहर्सल्स पे डिज्नी ऑफिस में सो देन ही एक बॉन्डिंग स्टार्ट हो गई थी एंड थैंकफुली वी आर हियर नाउ सेलिब्रेटिंग द सक्सेस.
Lovely.
My turn? Yes. So, hi guys, I'm Sapna Pabi. I play Sanjana. So Sanjana has been this slightly odd character, but I think actually when you think about it, she's got a lot of those personality traits that we have when we kind of close up with people. She's kind of socially awkward. She doesn't have many friends. She's Ananya's yoga teacher who made her thin. So I think to some extent she probably feels obliged as well to go along with her on this road trip when she asks her. And she experiences quite a lot of new things, learns a lot, makes some friends, and it's quite a nice journey for her.
So what was your first, this thing that once you got a call from Disney, were you really looking forward to this? As in, what was the first thing that went up to your mind for a web series like The Trip?
So, मतलब काफ़ी साल से, I mean 2-3 years, मैं सोच रही थी कि मुझे कोई girl project करना है. I noticed that in the Indian entertainment industry, there's actually no girl gang project. So I was very excited because that's exactly what I wanted. I actually wanted to work with a few women and see what we could come up with. So yeah, I was thrilled, and the medium obviously didn't matter. The project was my main concern, and I got that. So I'm very happy.
And I must.
My name is Manish. I play the character called Neil. Well, to be perfectly honest. If you ask me about my experience shooting this show, it has been a complete blast. In every which way, it didn't feel like work at all. You see this cast on my left, and there is, of course, Lisa, who I shot most of my scenes with. And let's not forget our director, Laksh, the producers, Sid and Saurabh. This whole team was put together. It's almost like, when you read like philosophical books and when you read stuff, everything conspires to sort of make a project and to bring together the perfect energies to create something beautiful. And I think that all of us have been, I say this on behalf of everyone, we're very thankful to Disney, to our director, and of course, the co-actors have been wonderful. We had a lot of fun on set. We would just chill. We would just have a blast. We were shooting in Thailand, the beaches. I personally had a lot of fun.
The total 10 episodes, and yes, 10 episodes, and they are about 13 to 15 minutes duration hai. And 6 episodes are out. 7 episodes are out, and abhi this Thursday the 8th.
Weekly,
every Thursday, 7 p.m.
So it's already
Bindaas.
being telecast. We're 7 episodes into the season, and it's like Shweta mentioned, it's 15 minutes. So please do watch it. You can watch it on your phone.
So actually, one of the most exciting things is that Ananya, my character, she is like everyone knows कि शादी होने वाली है. तो बीच में ब्रेक डाउन भी हो जाता है कि शादी करनी है नहीं करनी है, लड़का कैसा है. So we'll find out. A lot of people have been asking that who is the guy, who's Arjun Khanna. So in the 9th and 10th episode, we'll find out if there is any photo or any video of if there's a cameo or a scene that we have or not. So keep watching.